Hey everyone! Today, we are reviewing Healthy Flow Blood Support, a supplement that claims to regulate blood sugar, improve circulation, and support overall heart health. At first, it sounds like a promising product, especially for people worried about diabetes or cardiovascular concerns. Pros first. The formula includes some natural ingredients like cinnamon bark extract, bitter melon, and banaba leaf, which have been studied for their potential role in blood sugar regulation. The capsules are also easy to swallow, and the product feels marketed toward wellness-conscious users. But here's the truth. The cons heavily outweigh the benefits. The dosages of these ingredients are far lower than what clinical studies typically use, meaning the actual effectiveness is questionable. During our testing, we didn't notice significant improvements in blood sugar levels or blood pressure. Another concerning issue is safety. For people already taking prescribed medication for diabetes or hypertension, combining this supplement could create dangerous interactions. The marketing also tends to overpromise, making it sound like a natural cure, which is misleading and potentially harmful. Overall, Healthy Flow Blood Support is a risky buy. It looks appealing, but it doesn't deliver measurable results, and the potential health risks make it a supplement we cannot recommend. This has been How to Learn to Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.